This is worksheet RP-532. I'm going to help you get started on this assignment. Let's begin. I'm just going to start doing number 10. And what they want you to do is they want you to multiply. So you're just going to multiply like usual. 6 times 7. Well, 6 times 7, that's 30, 36, 42. So 42. Carry over the 4. Now 6 times 0 is 0 plus 4 is 4. And then 6 times 1 is 6. Now notice I am not bringing down any decimal points. They're not even lined up because when you multiply decimals, you don't have to line them up. Let's try 2, or let's do the 2 now. Before I start multiplying 2 times 7, I have to add this 0. 2 times 7 is 4. And, you know, it's always a good idea to cross off any numbers that you're done with, like that 4 right there. So 2 times 7 is 14. So bring down the 4 and then carry the 1 over. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And that's it. Now I add them up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 2. Now, we are not completely done yet because we need to add the decimal. Sorry, this does look kind of funny, but this is 2782. You have to figure out where the decimal goes. And to do that, we are counting decimal spaces. We're moving them all the way to the right. So 1, 2 spaces here, 1 space right there, which makes a total of 3 spaces. So our decimal starts right here. You're going to move 1, 2, 3 spaces in, and that's going to be our answer. If I wanted to rewrite it, it would be 2.782. Box that answer. Let's try one more. Let's go ahead and jump to number 16. Why not? So in this case, or in this one, I'm going to go ahead and count the decimal spaces in the beginning. It really doesn't matter when you do it. That's 3 decimal spaces. That's 2 decimal spaces, which makes a total of 5 decimal spaces by the end is how many I'm going to move them. So we're going to multiply like normal. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So bring down the 8, carry over the 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, which is 10. So let's make that 8 look more like an 8. 10. And then 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so 13 right there. And then let's multiply with the 5. Before I do that, add a 0. 5 times 2 is 10, so I better cross out those 1. 5 times 2 is 10, so put the 1 over there. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31, so 31. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18, so 18. And then 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1, which makes it 21. Now I add those up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 and 2. Now, we said 5 decimal spaces of where we're going to move it in. So it starts here, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right over there. So our answer would be 2.31186, and that is our answer. Now you've got a couple more problems. Go ahead and try them out on your own. Good luck.